Okay, I have a great original effect to share with you today. It involves 10 cards. In fact, let me just go ahead and show you the cards and then we'll kind of mix them up a bit. Okay, I have 2 aces, 2 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives. Okay, so that's kind of the situation we're in. So let's go ahead and scramble these. Now, if you were here, I'd have you tell me when to stop mixing. And by the way, I'm performing the Charlier Shuffle. So I can add a link in the description below if you want to learn that. Okay, so maybe you say stop there, which is just great. Okay, this effect today is going to measure your level of clairvoyance in the sense of, can you see the final pair of cards that we will finish with in your mind's eye? And will there be something special about that pair of cards? Okay, so I'll pick up the cards, and what I'm going to do is take the bottom card and flip it face up and perform a famous but highly destructive shuffle. It's called the under-down shuffle. I don't know if you've seen this before. So you just go under, down, repeatedly, okay, until all the cards have been moved from one hand to the other, okay. So we finish with this card here. So what I'm going to do is scoop up the up-facing card and just kind of set that aside, okay. Now in some ways that's not really all that important because it's the final pair that I'm hoping that you see clearly in your mind's eye. Okay, let's go ahead and flip the next bottom card. So under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. Okay, so where did that bring us here? I think what we'll do this time is we'll take the card that's face to face with our card. Okay, there we go. But once again, those aren't as important as that final pair. Let's go ahead and flip the bottom card one more time. Repeat the same actions. Under, down, under, down. And why don't we do something different this time? Why don't we take the card below the up-facing card? Okay, so just think about it. Over here we took the very top card after the under down. Here we took the top card face to face with our up-facing card. And then here we took the card below the up-facing card. Okay, and that leaves us with 4 cards, as you might imagine. Now some people might be a little suspicious here, so why don't we go ahead, have you sound in. I'm going to go ahead and just mix this. So you just tell me left on right, right on left again. Okay. Right on left again. Oh, okay. Left on right. Okay, are you content? Okay, very good. Now we're going to go ahead and flip the bottom. And then I'm going to go under, down, under, down, under, down. The last one on top. Okay. Maybe to do things differently, since we've already taken the top and put it with that one. We've taken the one face to face and put it with that one. We've also taken the one right below the face-up card and put it with that one. Why don't we do something completely different? Since we've been doing this left-right shuffle, why don't we continue that motif there? So, how clairvoyant are you? This final pair is the one that I'm just hoping that you are able to see at least vaguely, if not clearly, in your mind's eye at the beginning. What did you see at the beginning? Oh, wow. Did you see the 2 fours? If so, you are amazing. So even if you didn't quite see that pair of cards in your mind's eye at the beginning, I still think you get high marks for your clairvoyance for the simple fact that the final pair matches in value after all of that random movement and scrambling of the cards. What's that? You want to see what's in these other piles? Oh, I doubt there's anything interesting here. Okay, I'll show you. What? Oh, boy. I retract everything I said. Your clairvoyance is off the charts. How in the world did you do that? Do you have any idea of what the probability is that you would accomplish this by chance alone? It's very, very small. You should really be in my seat. And I should be on the other side of the table learning from you. So how does this work? Well, you can actually begin with the very pairs we have now. Okay, so quickly, this is called an AMP, adjacent mirrored pairs. So all we need is a 2-cycle, cycle length 5. Now you want one that looks not super obvious, okay? So what I did, and you probably would want to do it here, is this one's maybe too easy to spot because of the colors not being really mixed very well, nor the values actually. So at the very least, switching some of the colors, okay, would make a difference. If the values are too orderly, it's not too bad now, actually. It's not too bad. It's 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. That's pretty random looking listing of 1 through 5. That's not too bad. And then they repeat here, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. So this is a cyclic construction. So the Charlier shuffle will not harm it, okay? And I have a link in the description below. And then from there, you just do exactly what I did, and this is guaranteed to work for you every single time. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.